Okay, so a lot of you are coming from Windows and you are very familiar with Microsoft Office app. But since you have made the jump to macOS, now you need to forget all those Microsoft app because in macOS there are alternatives to Microsoft app. In Windows, you have to purchase all those Microsoft Office apps because Microsoft is primarily a software-based company first, uh, and then a hardware-based company. But Apple is a hardware-based company first, then a software-based company at second. So with macOS, there comes Office app all for the free. So like for your Microsoft presentations, you have keynotes in Apple. For the Microsoft Excel, you have numbers in Apple. And for Microsoft, what is next? Microsoft Word document, you have pages. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. Okay, let me just show you my screen. Keynote. So here, you just open Keynote. Then you just choose any of this layout, like here, like here. As you can see, you can write anything. You can change text, arrange, animate, a lot of things. You can even export it to Microsoft presentation also. Like here, if you want to export, you come down to file, then go to export, then PowerPoint, then you hit save. You see, you have got a Microsoft PowerPoint document. Similarly, numbers also. Like this is the Microsoft Excel. Like as you can see, if I made changes over here, uh, see it changes the graph in real time. You see, it changes the graph in real time. This is the alternative for Microsoft Excel. And if you want to export it to Excel, then here you come and you see, you just save it and it gets exported to Microsoft Excel. Okay, so this is for Excel. Now let me show you for the Microsoft Word. This is the alternative for Microsoft Word. Like I've already made a demo, as you can see. So let me create a new document first. Let me choose a layout. As you can see now, if you want to export it, you can even export it to Word, Microsoft Word document. You just hit save, then you just export it to it. Okay, so if I go to this is actually a Microsoft Word document, as you can see. Here it is a Microsoft Word document. Now you can open it or even send it to your friend who have a Windows computer. He easily can use on his machine. This can easily open in his Microsoft Word file application. So this is how you can use Apple apps then export it to Windows apps. So okay, so so that's all about it. And thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.